Hey guys, so just want to show you something new that I'm setting up here. This is the Fluval EBI Freshwater Shrimp Kit. It's a 2.6 gallon tank and it has everything I need in here. The only thing it doesn't include is a heater, but depending on what room I put it in, a lot of these shrimp actually prefer it that way. So let's take a closer look, open it up, and see what we got. Alright, here's the front. Let's take a look at some of this art they have on the side here. I always love looking at this stuff. 3-stage filtration, 7K lights. All right. So we got a little shrimp net. Looks like it's some kind of power source. There's our light. Nice and slick. We've got our gravel here. This is all sorts of elements and good stuff to stimulate plant growth. Got another little box here. There's a power source, probably for our light. Shrimp formula. Looks like that's food. Got our tap water conditioner. Another little box. There's another little, here's our pump. That's gonna go somewhere in the back. And here's our little return line. And here's our aquarium. Alright. Well, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to set it up. So just some basic parts here. We have a sponge to mechanically remove some debris, carbon to keep our water clear and remove any chemical contaminants, and some ceramic material to host beneficial bacteria. So our next step is to rinse our stratum, mineral-rich gravel. We want to be careful. We don't want to rinse it too much because we want to keep all the good stuff in there. I'm going to use a strainer. Put it all in here. Now I'm going to use some distilled water to gently rinse this over the sink. Alright, so our gravel is all rinsed, and we're going to put it in the aquarium. Now let's take this tank to where it's going to live and fill it up with water. Now this is my little office upstairs, and this is where I'm going to keep the shrimp tank. In order to keep everything neat, I'm going to put a plastic cup here, and this is where I'm going to pour the water into. I'm actually going to take this light off as well. Now let's give it a few hours to clear up and see how it turns out.